Hi everyone, today in Integrated Math 2 we're going to be going over Chapter 1, Lesson 3. Alright, so here are the objectives. You want to make sure you write them down in your notebook. This way you can compare to make sure that you did get everything that you were supposed to out of the lesson. Alright, so let's go over what the FOIL method is. First of all, FOIL is an acronym. It stands for first, outside, inner, last. And you can only do the FOIL method when you're multiplying a binomial by a binomial. In this case, 1, 2, binomial terms, 1, 2, another binomial term. And as you can see here, these are our first terms. So that's what it means by first. And then we go to outside terms, the ones on the outside. Then we go to our inside terms and our last terms. And each of these are going to be multiplied by each other. And in the next example, I'll show you exactly how that's done. Alright, so example 4. Find 6x minus 5 times x plus 4. So notice here how we have two binomials. Two terms in each one of these. So, alright, and I'm actually going to write the acronym right up here, just so it's a little easier to see, and it's our way of double checking that we're doing it correctly. So, FOIL. F starts for first. My first terms are right here. And notice how I'm making the little lines so that I'm also seeing what exactly I'm multiplying. That way you're keeping track and you're not multiplying the same thing so many times. 6x. Oops. I'm going to start down here. 6x times 1x. We're going to add that. And then we have our outer terms, which is 6x times 4. Then our inner terms, plus negative 5 times 1x. Plus, and our last terms, negative 5 times 4. Alright, so let's go ahead and simplify this. So we have 6x times 1x, which is 6x squared. 6x times 4 is 24x. Negative 5 times negative 1x is negative 5x. Then we have negative 5 times 4, which will give us negative 20. But I'm not done here yet, because as you can see here, we have two like terms. We need to combine them. So I have 6x squared plus 19x minus 20. And now I'm done. Alright, and notice here how we have a binomial and we have a trinomial, so we can't do the FOIL method on this one. But we'll do something like that to make sure that we multiply everything that we need to. This 6x gets distributed to each of the trinomial terms, as well as a 5 gets multiplied to each of the trinomial terms. Alright, so we have 6x times 2x squared plus 6x times negative 3x plus 6x times negative 5. Then we have 5 times 2x squared plus 5 times negative 3x plus 5 times negative 5. Alright, so we can't just leave it like this. We have to simplify it. So let's go ahead and multiply each of these. We have 12x cubed plus negative 18x squared minus 30x plus 10x squared minus 15x minus 25. And once again, we have to keep on simplifying it because it's not in its simplest form yet. So we have 12x cubed which is this one. And look, we have 2 squareds. So minus 8x squared. Combine these, minus 45x minus 25. And now we're done.